Hi, my best friend. Welcome to Psycho Says. Many men fulfill whatever desires of the women they like. They try hard to please women, but a woman doesn't necessarily appreciate a man who always tries to please her. This method is not wrong, but you will get tired. Don't worry, you are in the right place. In this video, we will share a different but powerful strategy for you. In this strategy, we will use a somewhat extreme and unconventional, but very effective approach to dating and attracting women. Although not everyone agrees with this strategy, it can differentiate you from others and make you more attractive and different in the eyes of beautiful women who are used to men going out of their way to please them. The key to this strategy is one word: no. Let's discuss why the word no is so powerful. You are my good best friend. Support this channel to develop further by pressing the like button, subscribing, good comments and sharing if this video is useful. Have you subscribed? If so, let's continue. 1. The allure of saying no. Beautiful women often encounter men who try their best to fulfill their every wish, and usually over time, they may come to expect this treatment, and while they appreciate it, they don't necessarily value the men providing it. To stand out, you can be the one who doesn't give in so easily. Saying no to their requests or setting reasonable boundaries can be quite intriguing. Women tend to respect men who stand their ground and prioritize their own needs, goals, and passions over trying to please them. 2. Putting purpose first. Author David Data wisely pointed out that prioritizing a relationship over one's highest purpose weakens a man. Women, in general, want a man who's dedicated to his life's purpose and ambitions, not someone who sacrifices everything for them. While a woman might express a desire to be the top priority in your life, she genuinely wants a partner who's fulfilled and on his path. Occasionally, she might test you to see if she can sway you, but she's more attracted to a man who stands firm. 3. Being a challenge. The goal isn't to be difficult or a jerk, but rather to become more of a challenge. Women don't want to be certain that you're head over heels for them from the get-go. They want a little mystery and intrigue. This is the foundation of flirting. Flirting doesn't involve showing constant interest, but rather showing interest and then playfully taking it away. It keeps her engaged because she's not entirely sure if you're completely into her, and that adds excitement. 4. Using restricted requests. You don't have to say no directly all the time. Instead, you can employ restricted requests as a playful way to create boundaries. For instance, let's go back to my place, but no sex. Let's grab coffee, but only for 10 minutes, then I need to go. No touching below the belt. No calling me 20 times a day. No more. That's all you get after a kiss. These restrictions show you're not readily available and not like the other guys who are too eager to please. It keeps her intrigued and wanting more, making your interactions more exciting and flirty. Conclusion. Implementing no and restricted requests can transform your dating game. Women will appreciate the challenge and the intrigue, and it will make you stand out from the crowd. Keep in mind that it's important to be genuine in your use of no and restrictions, and not use them as manipulation tactics. When you use this method authentically, you'll notice women becoming more engaged and flirting back with you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.